Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Today I'm here with my bro, with G, Prohgres. And Prohgres go way back. Prohgres are one of the artists that show me the most love. No joke. Prohgres are one of the artists that show me the most love over the years, dog. I don't know. You see me? So the G dropped a song called Dear God. Yeah, Dear God. Dropped like 6 days ago. And just get time, so we'll react to it here. Now, Prohgres is an artist like this where you're not going to find him in a controversy shit. You're not going to see him online and do certain things like what other artists do forget attention. The man does focus, bro. The man does focus. So artists out there still drop good music, relatable music, music that people can appreciate and love. You see me? So artists out there, so you have to appreciate them artists when them artists drop them song. So we're gonna jump in that one and hear what the G has said. Let's go, my G, let's go! Let's go!
Dear God, me dey on my knees to talk to you. Reach a point in a life, me no know what to do. How much more me can bear? Much more you go put me through that me asking you.
Me feel every fucking word already, and the song never start yet. Me feel every word, brother, and I just 20 seconds of the song. Like, the clarity, bro, the peak, like, the emotion with the G put in this, bro. Come on.
Dear God, me dey on my knees to talk to you.
Yeah.
Reach a point in a life, me no know what to do. How much more me can bear? Much more you go put me through that me asking you. Them say the strongest soldiers get the hardest battles. Years now my life stands still like statue. But just ask you for remove all the shackles. My girlfriend pack up and gone cause she can't take the mood swings. So rich, dirty, and seen her improvements.
Clad. My girlfriend pack up and go on because she can't take the mood swings, bro. Like, he might have mood swings. So, it's not a lot of people can deal with that. So, I must say, your girlfriend pack up and gone. You see me? Soon reach 30, nothing no change. Him not see no change. You see me? Enough, man. Enough of we can relate to them something there, bro. Like, no matter what you do, it feel like it not good enough, dog. It's like, no matter how much you pray and hope for the best, it's like people always want you to do the wrong thing. But if you're not strong in this earlier, especially the music business, fuck.
Asking you. Them say the strongest soldiers get the hardest battles. Years now my life stands still like statue. But just ask you for remove all the shackles. My girlfriend pack up and gone cause she can't take the mood swings. So rich, dirty, and seen her improvements. But one know it feel for win now. Tired of the losing. Me no know if I walk, me no know if I curse. Almighty, do not make it get any worse.
In the know what kind of cross is this for me? A curse? What me doing in my past life? Like, what one? Like, what is it? Bro, like, me can't take the... Brother, I be a losing, me a lose. Me know what win feel like, bro. Me know what win feel like. Me a struggle, dog. Me a struggle. Dear God, what? Me know say you make the strongest soldier get the hardest fight, bro, but me can't, me weak out right now. Me weak out. You see me? That's what the G has said. Big up Prohgres, man. Bomba.
Seen her improvements. But one know it feel for win now. Tired of the losing. Me no know if I walk, me no know if I curse. Almighty, do not make it get any worse. Why me alone sauce till I'm shit in a church? Do not make it get any worse.
Why me alone salt like me shit in a church? What me do for deserve this? Like, these are the questions I me ask Father God. What me do, Father God, for deserve this up me? Me a good youth. Me not trouble nobody. Me not hurt nobody. What me do? Answer me. Yo, come on, G. Yo, Prohgres. Go on there, me.
Me no know if I curse. Almighty, do not make it get any worse. Why me alone sauce till I'm shit in a church? Do not make it get any worse. But I really love to see the tables turn. Yeah. Do not make it get any worse. Get any worse, no make it get any worse. No make it get any worse, no make it get any worse. Whatever me do for deserve the punishment, yeah, me sorry. Remove the curse if I somebody will be me.
Whatever me do for deserve the punishment, yeah, me sorry. Even though deep down in myself, me know me not done nothing. Where me can say yes at that. You see me? Like, remove the curse. Remove it. Like, it drive me insane. It frustrated. Me can feel every word with the G has said, dog. The boss probably get heavier and heavier upon him shoulder every fucking day, dog. What me do?
Reverse, to make it get any worse, to make it get any worse, to make it get any worse. Whatever I'ma do to deserve the punishment, I'm sorry. Remove the curse if I somebody who be me. Show me a smile, them think me happy, but they don't know like chronic. Me a trouble with.
Show me a smile, just make me happy. They don't know like chronic. Bro, the boss a chat some things, dog. Like you can see the frustration. And me I feel it. Me know where the G I got through because me been there. You see me enough time I feel like so I can't win no matter how much try man try do certain things, bro. There's always some fuckery go down. So, me see what the G I said, dog. Me feel what the G I said, bro. Like, no joke. I don't joke, dog.
Get any worse, to make it get any worse, to make it get any worse, to make it get any worse. Whatever I'ma do to deserve the punishment, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Remove the curse if I somebody who be me.
Yeah.
Show me a smile, them think me happy, but they don't know like chronic. Me a trouble with a heavy heart, make you help me lot. The burdens on my shoulder get heavier.
Yo, me feel that part here, dog. Yo. Hear the emotion in a Prohgres voice change, bro. Hear the emotion in the G voice. And Prohgres have one of the best voice in a dancer. Hands down. Prohgres have one of the best voice in dancehall, bro. You see me? But because the G now do certain things and now look certain way or not, boss now get out there as how him should, in my opinion. Sure knows enough people love him, including myself. I'm a G. I'm a bro that. But Prohgres should be a lot more appreciative by people, dog. Cause the man a drop some relatable track, John. No joke, dog.
Get any worse, to make it get any worse, to make it get any worse, to make it get any worse. Whatever I'ma do to deserve the punishment, I'm sorry. Remove the curse if I somebody who be me. Show me a smile, them think me happy, but they don't know like chronic. Me a trouble with a heavy heart, make you help me lot. The burdens on my shoulder get heavier. Me don't want write no suicide note, but me slowly I lose hope. Me no know if
Man said no one write no suicide note, but him surely I lose hope. So if something not change and change fast, drastically, me no want do the me no want do the wrong thing. Me no want write no suicide note. Me no want to pick up no gun. Me no want to do none of that shit. Me need a change.
for hope, me no know if I curse Almighty, do not make it get any worse. Why me all once answer like me shit in a church? Do not make it get any worse. But I really love to see the table turn, yeah. Do not make it get any worse. Get any worse, no make it get any worse. No make it get any worse, no make it get any worse. Me alone in the dark, with just my phone light in my face. Tired of broke life, wonder when it a go change.
Me alone in the dark with the phone light in my face, dog. Me alone in the dark, wake up Shay now. Me alone in the dark with my phone light in my face. So that me just tell you a scroll, brother. Like me just tell you a scroll, dog. You see me? Cause me don't know. Me don't know. Like can it get any worse? Can it get any worse? Like come on.
Music now work, me have to go try light in my face. Tired of broke life, wonder when it a go change. Music now work, me have to go try another way. Try scamming what the nearly end up a jail. Struggle everything.
Frustration and push him to one bag of thing. The boss say him try scamming where they nearly end up at jail. Like if you're not strong in the music business, you just leave it and go do some wrong thing, bro. Cause people just I don't know, dog.
Now work, me have to go try another way. Try scamming what they nearly end up a jail. Struggle every single month for me bills them pay. No escape is like me stuck in a maze. Stuck in a time when you me stuck in a my ways. Me stuck in a fear.
You know much people at work 8, 9, 10 hours shift a day, 5 days, 6 days a week. And still a struggle at the end of the month, bro. Still a struggle when bills for pay, when rent for pay. Still a struggle if you go back at work, bus fare and them something there. Especially if you have Pitney and go to school. Doctor bill. You see me? You know how much people are struggle, dog? So the G talk for all of the people that may struggle and more, dog.
In a maze, stuck in a time when you me stuck in a my ways. Me stuck in a fear. Me no know if I hope, me no know if I curse Almighty, do not make it get any worse. Why me all once answer like me shit in a church? Do not make it get any worse. But I really love to see the table turn, yeah. Do not make it get any worse. Get any worse, no make it get any worse. No make it get any worse, no make it get any worse.
Frustration, feeling defeated, feeling down. Feel like the world is against you. The load that get heavier and heavier every fucking day. Nothing not change. When it a go stop? When it a go stop? When the frustration a go stop? And them feeling they come from many different things. Man, I trying on the music game. Them now give me recognition. Some little pussy friend around, man. We are going to say them real. Them are things friend. You see me? Some girl on the their own, man, for where them can get. A son of make man bucklat feel. You see me? So Prohgres I talk him talk, bro. I me feel him talk, me hear him talk, me understand him talk. You see me? Yeah, because the G now do certain fuckery. Because the boss now do certain things. Siri, go suck your mother, me not talk to you. Because the boss now do certain things. You see me? It's like, him can't get what he need to get. Boss say, yo, him try scam me where they and then nearly end up at jail, bro. You know, when frustration licking the dog. Bro, yo, all me I say, dog, my G, go and hold out here, my fam. You don't know, bro. You don't know. Go and hold out, bro. You see me? And anybody we are go through it, anybody we are go through depression, because them things cause depression too, you know. Anybody we are go through depression, anybody we are go through them hard times, anybody we need somebody to talk to, yo. And you can reach out to me, dog. We can hold a reason, bro. We can hold a reason. See me Instagram up here, so. See me Instagram above my head. You see me? Just DM me, dog, and we can hold a reason, bro. You see me? Yeah, dog. No joke. Like, even if you don't have Instagram or whatever, drop it in the comment section and say link up, dog. We'll find a way, dog. If I even by email. You see me? Yo. Big up all the people that I got through it. Big up all the people that are strong in it too. You see me? God, just open up. Just open up some people's pathways so them can walk clear. You see me? This is how I'm gonna leave that one still. Prohgres, big up yourself, bro. If you enjoy that one and want to see more from your G, leave a like on the video, yo. Subscribe around here if you're new, yo. And I'll see you. I'll see you in the next one, man. That one mash me up, that. No joke.